In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Flash Step in Blox Fruits on a console. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing on a console and you unlocked Flash Step by buying it for $100,000 from the Ability Teacher located near the Frozen Cave, you will be able to use Flash Step at any time. The specific button that you need to press on a controller is going to be the right stick. So as you can see highlighted here for Xbox and PlayStation controllers, this is what you have to press. Now, I need to make a very quick disclaimer. As you might be aware, when you press down the right stick, this also controls the camera. Unfortunately, it seems like the developers didn't bother with proper controls for Blox Fruits, so when you try to use Flash Step, your camera might zoom in or out, and to my knowledge, there is no workaround to this. If you wish to use Flash Step, you must press the right stick down, and when you do, your camera is going to be affected. If you have a keyboard and mouse that you can use, you will be able to press R on your keyboard and you will teleport to wherever your cursor is placed. So for PC players, all they have to do is press R. But if you are playing on a console using a controller, assuming that this is the only method that you have to play, you will have to press down on the right stick and Flash Step will be used as long as you have it properly unlocked from the Ability Teacher. You can use it at any time and all you have to do is press down on the right stick. Now, if it messes with your zoom, you have the option of connecting an external mouse to your console and using the scroll wheel to zoom in or out accordingly after or before you use Flash Step. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Flash Step in Blox Fruits on a console. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.